morning, students. In previous lecture we have seen about the hydrosphere. In that we have seen the water bodies which are present on the earth, and surface water we have seen in previous lecture. Today we are going to study about the groundwater. Beside this surface water, on the earth there is the water is present under the ground, under the rock. That water is called the groundwater. Means those water which is under the ground, below the earth crust, and that water we call the groundwater. That water we get obtained by the digging inside the ground. At our house there are the borewell. It is the types of this the groundwater. In our field there are the wells, that also our water or get obtained from that the ground, underground. That water is called the groundwater. Means that well, bore wells are there, that are the water which is the underground water. That water is obtained due to by the digging inside the ground. Here are those water which water present on the earth, that is the in ocean water. That water present those water which is ice in the form of the ice, and means in Greenland those ice formed water are there. That water and those water which is the underground water, and those water which are the present on in the form of the vapor in the atmosphere. That whole are called the hydrosphere. That whole are called the hydrosphere. Means those water which is present on the ground, that water is also those water which are present on the earth, that in the ocean forms or in the surface of water, and those water which is the groundwater, and the water vapor hold together present in the atmosphere, and those vapor present in the atmosphere hold this water, groundwater, and on earth those water present, that water and vapor which is present in the atmosphere, that whole are togetherly called the hydrosphere of the earth. Understood? Next, our next point is the atmosphere. We also learned in previous years what is the atmosphere. Atmosphere is the envelope of the air around the earth. Atmosphere is the envelope of the air around the earth. That is called the atmosphere. As we go, suppose here is our earth. As we go higher from that, the height from the earth, the layer of the earth is decreases. Just like suppose you have kept piles of the papers or newspapers are there. Those papers which are at downside, that get stuck too much each other. If you observe the distance between them, there are too much and uncountable or countable distance will be there. You are unable to count that. Means that papers get stuck to each other due to the pressure of that paper whatever that. But and as you observe when you go ahead and observe the upper newspapers of the that piece, then you find out the distance between that papers are more. Means what? There is the less. It is just example like the atmosphere. Means as the air which is close to that the earth, the air pressure is more, and as you go higher from the height from that the earth, you will find out the air pressure is decreases from the earth. Air is not only air is a mixture of, not only it is only gas, it is the mixture of the oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, many gases are there. It is the mixture of that gases, and this is the form the atmosphere. Atmosphere means it is the mixture of the gases, and there are the many gases that we will study in next point. Understood?